How to set up Teemill with Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So generally speaking, you should have Shopify store obviously, and you should also have an account with Teemill. So you can just go to teemill.com and create your account from there. And now you're wondering how to actually connect them. So all you need to do is let's just do things from Shopify's perspective. Is going to be easier this way. And all you need to do is just go to the apps section. So just go ahead and click on apps, click on add apps, and then just go to the Shopify app store. From here, we pretty much wanted to search for Teemill. You have guessed that already. So just go ahead and search for Teemill, and you should find this one right here at the top, which is Teemill Eco Print on Demand, or Eco. So yeah. Eco Print on Demand, and you can actually see the app. So just go ahead and click on install. Just make sure the developer is actually Teemill, it's not someone else, and click on install. And we basically wanted to install it to our Shopify. So click on install, and it's just going to allow us to confirm the installation like so. And now we need to basically just connect our accounts and start with our brand and so on. So here we can just go ahead and add our brand name. In my case, I'm just going to do go for tutorial. Click on next. So after that, you'll actually need to enter your email and password. You can just go ahead and create it from there, and you can just go ahead and select the type of brand that it is going to be. So just go and select the brand that is suitable for your business. After that, they're going to ask you to confirm your email. So they're going to send you a link so you can verify yourself. So just go and open up your mail and verify your identity so we can continue. And then from here, you just need to obviously read the terms of service and conditions and read all of it. And once you are done, you can just go ahead and click on agree and continue. And lastly, you're going to be in the main dashboard where you'll be able to create new products, view your products, order some samples, and you'll have more stuff to work with. But you can just go ahead and get started with new product and create your own product. So in this case, I'm just going to create this athletic gray. Actually, let's just go for this one. For men, and you can just obviously add your design in here. Just click on upload, and you'll be able to upload the image that you want to use. Let's just use this one, and you can obviously feel free to move it around to your liking, and also follow the guidelines at the top here. It does say that it should be that specific size, which is 2000 by 2000, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And we can just go ahead and adjust it to our liking if you want to add some text, if you want to add some sort of design to it. And lastly, if you're happy with it, you can just always save it. So you would want to obviously give it a product name, description, and so on. And I believe you get it from this point. So you can feel free to add as many products as you want in Teemill, and it's going to be connected with your Shopify. And you should, after you actually publish your product, it should actually show up in your products section. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.